Good morning. So we're here at Jaramillo Hay in Isleta. We're going to go to the Bosque Farms Growers Market after we're done picking up some hay for the goats. We made room for 6 bales in the shed today, in our feed shed. And this is our preferred place to get our hay. They have all kinds of hay. They have several barns that way. You can see some alfalfa fields out there. And there's some more hay over this way. So depending on how much alfalfa is in it compared to other grasses, etc., it's a varied cost. Goat hay does not need to have as much alfalfa in it. But Chris noticed that up here on these bales, looks like there's some kind of hawk. So I'm going to try to walk towards it and we'll see what happens. If it doesn't fly off right away, maybe we'll get a good picture. My phone is not really good for zooming. Probably looking for mice out here in the hay. There it went. Wow. Okay, it's up in the tree, so I'm going to try to get closer to the tree. You can see up in the tree limbs, and I'll try to zoom from here. And you still really can't tell exactly what kind of predator bird it is, but it's definitely a predator, not the one that just flapped its wings. That was just some kind of dove. I don't know if I can get close enough to get a good shot. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wow. Oh, did you hear it? I heard it. Going scree. Did you hear it? You hear it? Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. So have a great day today. It's a beautiful day to get feed for the goats.